In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate query in Grafana 2026, step by step. Duplicating a query is a simple way to experiment without losing your original work. It's perfect for comparing two versions of the same metric, tweaking filters, or testing time ranges side by side. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. Start by opening Grafana in your browser and signing in to your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. That vertical navigation menu is where you'll find everything you need. We're heading to Explore, which is the best place to interactively build and test queries before you commit them to a dashboard. Click Explore. The Explore view loads with a data source selector at the top and a query editor below. Make sure you're on the data source you expect, Prometheus, Loki, Elasticsearch, or another supported source, so the query language and results match what you need. If nothing is selected, pick your data source first, then confirm your time range in the top right. This helps ensure the query returns results when you run it. In the query editor, you'll see the queries area. This is where your current query sits, typically labeled with a reference ID like A. If you've saved queries in the past, you may also notice a saved queries option nearby, which is handy for reusing common expressions. Even if you're not using a saved query right now, it's good to know where it is because the controls we need live in this same area. Right beside the queries header and along the query row, there's a small set of icons. Hover over them to reveal tooltips. These usually include actions like run, add, remove, and the one we're after, duplicate. The duplicate icon often looks like two overlapping squares. Find the duplicate query icon for the query you want to copy. Hover to confirm the tooltip says duplicate query, then click it. Instantly, Grafana creates a new query right below the original, usually with a new reference ID such as B. The duplicate carries over the original data source, expression, and options, so both are ready to run and compare without rebuilding anything. From here, you can adjust the duplicated query's expression, labels, or time options to compare outcomes side by side. This is especially useful for trying alternate filters, switching between instant and range queries, or validating a change before updating dashboards. If you don't see the duplicate icon, make sure a query exists in the editor and that you're in the Explore view for a supported data source. That's it. Duplicating queries in Grafana is fast, reliable, and perfect for iteration.